tranny already blown out for no reason and whatnot. This is ridiculous. It's kind of skipping. This car, 118,000 miles, man. I know I drove the shit out of it in the past 5 months. Like, I put 12,000 miles on it in the past 5 months, but still, annoyed of this delicate ass car. Look. Damn, bruh. The past 2 weeks, this car's been falling apart quicker than Jenga or some shit. Like, first start off with had a little bit of the, this will stop doing the ding, 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 ding. Come on, there you go. First, I had a little bit of the body damage up front. Still working on that. Couldn't even get to that before the big puddle of power steering fluid. So that's going to be next after that, right? I'm just tired of putting money into this car. And then after that, check engine light. It's like some part that's in the engine, like about $80 for this some random part. I got to figure out what it was. But the check engine light turned itself off. It keeps kind of coming on and turning off. Yesterday it was flashing and whatnot. So maybe it might be some serious component. I don't know. And then after that, now we got the transmission going on, bro. The transmission, look. It's doing it right now. Look, see that? Look at that, man. Come on, man. So, hold on. Let me get the camera straight before I crash. Look at that. Oh, my God. Look. It's doing it. So, you know how everybody has, just like slams on their brakes out of nowhere, even though there's nothing in front of them. They just, I don't know, they're just testing their brakes out or trying to blow their brake line out or whatever the case is. Well, yeah, I had to stop before I ended up flying through somebody else's back windshield. And, the transmission's never been the same, like foot through the firewall type shit. So I had to do pretty much the same thing. And then the transmission's never been the same. Look. Look at that. So what it's doing, it seems like it's glitched out. It kind of skips first gear a little bit sometimes, and it kind of struggles to go in like third or fourth or whatever the case is. And when you turn it on, when you first start it in cold start, it idles a lot higher than what it normally did. It was like at 1, now it's like at 2 and 3 sometimes. And when you put it in the gear, it clunks like that. It clunks really hard. I heard about torque converter problems on these cars or whatever the case was, but man, dude, I think this thing feels delicate as shit, man. Look, see? Look how it's struggling. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. Getting ready to blow. I mean, I don't know, man. I think I might be done with Ford sedans at least. Ford trucks are good, but, whoo, man, this car is quite delicate, man. All that shit happening at once, not even 2 weeks, man. All right, so, yeah, as I expected. Look at that. Look. Ooh, man. All kinds of power steering noise and transmission clunk action. Check it out. So when the car is sitting, you got this nice clean red transmission fluid, right? But when it's idling, there's nothing on the stick. I just noticed that just now. There's nothing on the stick at all. So I don't know. Okay, it'll stop for a second. Just chill for a second. Okay, so I don't know if that's saying something, but we're definitely gonna try to add some more fluid, or maybe I'm just gonna change the fluid out. It depends. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna get rear-ended by this Tacoma back here. It's right here on the cheeks. So, but anyway, see him right there. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna try that real quick. Got some more turn signal bulbs. Hopefully these are the right fit. I haven't tried them yet. Obviously, the package is still closed. And then we're gonna toss them in this Mercon 5. I got 2 quarts. See, there's one right there. Getting some of that going on right now, so let's take a look at that. We'll see what this does. I don't want to overfill it though, because it's already I already put half of it in there. I'm gonna turn it on and get some level measuring action. Hold on real quick. Leave that right there for a second. Yep. Just like that. So on the stick, what I was talking about when I was driving over here, it says measure while the vehicle is idling. So that's what I'm about to do right now, instead of just measuring it while it's just sitting there chilling. So let's see. Oh, let me get a rag real quick. Man, thank goodness for different auto part store franchises and whatnot, because this is just so much better than, the competition. This store right here that I'm about to reveal in a second, just so much better than, that one that starts with an A or whatever. Anyway, I don't know how I'm gonna, because these fit now. I actually finally found the bulbs that fit. Look at this. This is all I have left. So I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna work. But yeah, I just wanted to record this part of the video because this is the passenger side. Obviously, it was smashed in. Holy shit, y'all. I guess maybe I don't have as much experience as I thought with these old school Fords. But anyway, this is what I was talking about when I was driving over here. Don't add, check when hot, idling. See on that curve part, it says, hold on, I'm trying to get a hang of it. There it goes, right there. It says check when idling, basically right there. And then use Mercon 5, which is what we have, oil. What the fuck? So the real question is, how much damage did I do to this thing when driving it for about 80 miles like this? That's the real question. How much life is left for real now? Moment of truth. Let's see. All right, I'm obviously not gonna know until start driving. I probably need like way more fluid than I put in there. I put a quart, put one of those and half of that one in there. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to add some more fluid, but look at how smooth that shit is now. Holy shit, look at that. What? Only question is how much damage did I do driving it like that? I'd say for probably about 60, 70 miles. Yeah, hopefully, I mean, right now it seems okay. Still shifting a little rough, so I'll probably put some more in there. I didn't want to overfill it. But wow, hopefully I didn't kill too much of the transmission, but right now it's doing okay. Yeah, it's chilling. Let's go through the gears real quick. Wow. Huh. Some of that Mercon 5, man. Oh, there goes. He did a little bit of a... Now, I'm pretty sure some of that is probably motor mounts, too, so I'm not, you know, too worried about that. I'll eventually get to those, but fuck that. I know I'm going to have to jack the engine up and shit. Nah, man, not yet. Document everything, bro, especially with cars like this, because I know people have a huge interest in used cars these days because new cars are so expensive. And by the way, that affordable video, wow, man, that was just, I'm not gonna lie, that was like garbage. I just wanted to keep the video count up, and y'all seem to have more interest in videos like that than, you know, videos I actually put time and effort and thought into. But it's all good though. Appreciate the support on that one. And stay tuned, and that's it.